Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, February 9th, and I'm telling you that if you ever needed a reason to move to Cary, North Carolina and have us be your local quilt shop, today is that day. It's going to be 71 beautiful degrees here today. So if you are local, find some time to get outside and enjoy some of that beautiful sunshine. If you're not local, maybe, start looking at realtor.com because we would love to have you as one of our local customers. Today we have a fun new collection of fabrics that make a really neat quilt. So the fabric is called Sylvan Spirit, but first I want to show you the quilt that inspired me to purchase it. This is called Owl See You, and we are going to be using this fabric to make kits of this quilt. So I'm going to show you the fabric in detail, and then the kits and the patterns, and the kits are going to be available later today. So let's start with the fabric. This is called Sylvan Spirit. Rustic florals, medallions, and geometrics in Dan Morris signature style and warm color palette will create unique projects. Mix and match the prints for bohemian styled quilts, home decor, and accessories. And this is by one of our favorites, QT Fabrics. And again, we're going to have kits for the Owl Be Seeing You, or sorry, I keep saying that, it's Owls See You, available later today, and you can place your order online with us now. I love this one. Look at that.
So sweet.
That geometric pattern. It even looks like little owls.
It's a little owl.
We have that in a couple of colors, and these are very light bolts. This one's only 7 yards. So if you like the yardage but don't think you need the kit in your life, you're definitely going to want to come and grab it, because once we cut it for kits today, there's not going to be a lot left. There's that nice dark piece. And I'll show you the pattern in case you like the pattern but maybe not in that set of colors. And then there's two other colorways there on the back of it. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it's glaring or not, but it's a really cute little pattern. So we have Owl See You, the pattern, the kits, and the yardage available in the shop and online now. The kits actually will be available later today, so you may want to call first if you want to come and grab one to make sure that we have them cut and ready to go. I hope you have a great afternoon. Again, find some time to get outside on this beautiful day, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.